Hi, I'm Maximiliano Salazar. I'm from Global Culture One, and today I'm going to explain you what I do in my all my weeks. It's not difficult to explain what I do. For example, the Mondays, so from Mondays to Fridays, it's when I just like go to school, take it in the morning. I that days I arrive to the school like very soon, like at 7 a.m. because I need to leave my sister. My sister enters at it's has recently entered to the high school, and he's in high school. Yeah, she enters at 7 a.m. But also I enter at 8 a.m. So I really have to wait to classes to start at 8 a.m. and then I leave. I have I think a very broken time in the university. For example, on Mondays I will go out at 2 and a half p.m. The Thursdays and Tuesdays I go out at 2 p.m. The Wednesdays at 1.5, and the Fridays I just go like an hour to the school. That's what I do the from Monday to Friday in the mornings. In the afternoons and night I usually do homework or I go play video games or sleep. Always after getting out of school I eat and then I go with other activities like the ones I already said. And in the weekends, then Saturday and Sunday, I usually work because I need the money. I need money, and for example, the Saturdays I usually work from 10 to 5, 5.5. In the work of my mother, it's the place you go and take the things you need to school, like pencils and all that. And now they need me more because we are in a very high season because it's the back to school season, and now there are already like 5 6 people attend in the work. And also in the Saturdays at the night I go out with friends from I'm from Villa de Reyes, and there where I take the secondary. Yeah, there I meet my friends and I go with them at the nights of the Saturdays. Yeah, and that's all. I don't really do serious things. I like very to play video games, go out with my friends, or read some books. Yeah, are the things I like.